Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to the channel, hi, my name is Divya Gaur and yours XOXO Divya as well. I'll be really happy if you don't take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on the Instagram, and Instagram link is in description below. Please go and check out. You guys already read by the title what the video is about. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So let's get started here. Here I'm using rose water instead of any toner, just because it suits every skin type. Now move on to the primer. I use Color Bar Perfect Match Primer, and basically this is a silicone based primer. Just because I have a extreme oily skin, that's why I am always choosing a gel base or silicone based primer, and it works really well for the oily skin. I recommend this one. And apply it gently all over your face. Now move to the concealer. So for the concealer we are using Elegir Pro Conceal in the shade GC972 Natural, and applying it on your highlighted area, basically in a dark circle area or your T-zone. You can apply it if you want your cheekbone highlighted, and फाउंडेशन के बाद भी आप लोग इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट आई एम यूजिंग बिफोर द फाउंडेशन. And blend it all over your face. Honestly guys, blending is a key of your flawless base. If you want a really good result of your makeup now, then blend properly your foundation or concealer. It just gives you a natural and flawless base. You can see. Now for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Ivory 115. Again, you have to blend it properly all over your face, and don't forget your neck. Alright, so I suggest this foundation to all the beginners just because it's a medium coverage foundation. You can use in a daily basis and in a little party makeup as well. Now base is done. Now move on to the setting our base. For setting powder I am using Dermacolor. This is in a small packaging, but it is literally a bomb for my skin actually. I can tell you guys with all my experiences that setting and baking is a makeup savior. Not a life savior, but yeah, it's really helpful to us if we have oily skin. So now move on to the eyebrows. For eyebrow I am using Plum Nature Studio Pencil in a shade dark brown. So yeah guys, I can tell you that this is my favorite part of the makeup. And whenever I want to go out and feel like I don't want to wear any kind of makeup product, I'll do my eyebrows and I am good to go. For me, this is the jaan of my makeup. Okay, then move on to the eyeshadow part. For this, I am using Swiss Beauty Smoky and Nude eyeshadow palette. It has 18 colors eyeshadow palette itself, and I'm using these 5 nude shades for my nude eye makeup from this palette. So now we'll take a lighter shade and dust it off all the excess, and applying it all over the eye. Here I'm using angled fluffy brush. It will help you to get a very perfect eyeshadow shape that you wanted. And I know this blending process is really boring for you guys, but this is as important as the final look. So yeah, now we'll take a little darker shade and applying it on all over the cut crease area. You can see. Here I'm taking another fluffy brush and blend all the eyeshadows together and applying little bit in my inner corners as well. so I'll keep it as subtle as it is. I just wanted a little glitter in my eyelids. So here I'm applying a Galaxy shade from Mercury palette. Alright, so I applied it on my eyelids, and here I am putting a very less amount of glitter. If you want more glitter in your eyeshadow, then you have to apply concealer before applying the glitter. It will help to pop out it and you will get a really good result. Here I am taking a flat brush and apply the same eyeshadow on my lower line, just because I am not using kajal or liner. But you will definitely use kajal if you want. So yeah. Now I am using the same process for my eyeliner. I am using a Vortex shade. This is a dark brown shade for eyeliner, and smudging it all over the liner area. And those who are love applying liners, you can definitely apply liner here. And if some people are like me, who's never want to apply kajal or liner in a daily basis, so please try this out. This is look more chic than applying liner. And here I dust off all the excess. Alright, now move on to the mascara. For this, first of all, I am using a curler, so I curl my lashes. I am using the Colossal Volume Express waterproof mascara from Maybelline, and it gives a natural volume and little darkness to your eyelashes. Let's move to the contouring. For contouring, I am using Swiss Beauty Terracotta Blusher palette. From this, I will take a darker shade for contouring, and I contoured all over the face, the cheekbones, the forehead, the jawline, and all that area that I wanted to hide. And yes, again, you have to blend it properly. Otherwise it looks bad. If you think you are good in contouring, then go for it. Otherwise you can skip this process. How can I forget the nose? Well, after contouring you will see the instant change. And now it's time for blush. So you have to applying it with a feather touch, and it gives so good results. Now move on to the highlighter part. For highlighter, I am using Swiss Beauty Glow highlighter, and for this I'll pick a beige shade and applying it all over the highlighted areas. This is so pigmented highlighter, you can see the pigmentation. So move on to the lipstick. For lipstick, I am using Lakme Rich Satin in shade R356. Well, first you have to line your lips. So here I am using a random lip liner and line my lips. It helps to achieve a perfect shape that you want. Well, honestly, I am a big fan of nude lipsticks, but when I feel little low or unproductive, then I am wearing the red one. As you guys know that red color is energetic, hot and sexy color itself. So yeah, after applying it, I feel little energetic and productive. And especially the black and white outfit look with the red lipstick, I am die for. Here you can see it turns out super sexy. And now move on to fix the makeup. So for this I am using Lotus Makeup Fixing Mist with rose water and green tea essence. So yes guys, here is our makeup is completed, and here is the final hot red makeup look. I hope you guys liked the video. I wish it could be little more helpful to you guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another video soon. Until then, bye.